Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to change font size in your Windows PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. So guys, if you want to change your text font size in your PC or laptop, so for that you need to go on here and you need to select settings icon. Okay, after that you need to select at the first option system. There you can see system, select it. Now at the just scroll down and there you can see change the size of text. There you can see change the size of text. You just select it. Now you can change your text size like that, make it 125. There you can see it's going small. If you can change it 175, then there you can see it's so big, but your laptop or desktop is showing 150. It's totally good. This size is good. So guys, in this way you can change the text size in PC or laptop. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.